Good day everyone, hope you all are doing really great. So this is the part 2 of your P block element short tricks. Okay, earlier we have discussed on the oxacid of nitrogen, their name, oxidation state, color and everything, and the preparation of common methods of preparation also we have seen. And even we have started with the oxacids of phosphorus. We have discussed how to calculate, know the last name, oxidation state and the name, right? Now we need to deal with the basicity and the structure of your oxacids of phosphorus. The basicity is nothing. Number of OH in your structure will give you the basicity. Okay, so firstly we will learn about your structure. Okay, this is also very easy. What you have to do is, see, whenever there are single P, you have to minus HpO2 from that. Okay, whenever there are single P, you have to minus HpO2 from that. Whenever there are double P, that is P2 like this, then you have to minus H2P2O4. Just double the amount. Okay, do multiply of 2, H2P2O4, right? Have to multiply likewise. Yeah, so clear till this, that is single P means you have to minus HpO2, then if it is double P you have to minus H2P2O4. Okay, now we will see what to do. Subtract HpO2 from here, what you will get? You will get H2, right? This means H will go, P will go, O2 will also go, only 2, that is H2 will be remaining. The same way, if we do the subtraction for this, what will be there? H2O. If we subtract H3PO4 from minus HpPO2, what we will get? H2O2. Let's see for this. Now we are starting with 2 P's are there, so we are subtracting H2P2O4. What will you get here? Your H2O. Okay, now in this, what will you get? If you subtract these two, H2O2, then your H2O3. Okay, this is a simple subtraction. Cancel and write the remaining name. So how to draw the structure with this after what we are doing with the minuses? See, this is the common structure, HpO2. Okay, this will be a base for all the reaction. This will be a base for all the structures. Now with this, how to do? So this is your common structure, I said, no, HpO2. Now what we have to do? Let's see. This is your HpO2. If we add H2 with this, you will get the structure. That is simple, no? We subtracted from this. If we add these two, what will be there? I will get this structure. So HpO2 I already know. It is there. I need to simply add H2, right? So H won't be forming double bond. And your what is the maximum number of bond you can write for your phosphorus? That is 5, right? So already 3 is there. So only 2. So I can put 1 H here, 1 H here, right? That's it. You got the structure of your H3PO2 means what is the name? H3PO2, hypophosphorus, the structure of your hypophosphorus. Okay. Simple, right? Let's do for one more. Let me get a pen. So, what is the common structure you need to write first? P, double bond O, and comes here OH. This is the structure of your HpO2 that we are doing the minus from there. Okay, now what we have to add here? Your H2O4. Whatever we got in the answer, no, we have to add that. So how will you add that? 1 minute. As I already said, we can't put double bond and join. Okay, so what are the things remaining? 1 O is there, 2 H2O is there. So for 1 O, I can add 1 H. I can put this bond, right? And remaining only 1 H will be there. Are we clear? H2O is there, right? So for 1 H, one bond I can write together. And 1 H I can write separately. So here what I am doing, 1 H and O I am putting here. Here 1 H. So phosphorus also got 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have written all the elements also. Whatever is there. Let's do for the next one. What is the common structure? Your HpO2. That we need to write it like this. Okay. Now we will see what we have to add to get the structure H3PO3. Let me write the structures also here. This is your H3PO2. H3 PO3. Now we will deal with H3PO4. What we need to add with HPO2? H2O2. Now it is simple. One O, one H, one O, one H, right? We can pair it up simply. So how will you write? 1 O, 1 H, 1 O, 1 H. Simple. Now we have completed wherever the single P, that is there. Now we have to deal with your double P whenever 2 phosphorus there. Here also the structure will be same, but it will be twice, right? So this is the common structure. No change in that. Let me do it here. What is your common structure? HPO2. Same you have to write, but it will come twice, no? So you have to write one more here also. Now we have to join the elements based between them. Are we clear? If it is single phosphorus, only this structure. If it is double phosphorus, both the sides you have to write. Now we will calculate for H4P2O5. What we need to add to this atom? We need to add your H2O. So 1 OH we can add and 1 H we can add. Am I right? So yeah, we need to join these two. Okay, this can't be separately. Like you can't put here, you can't. I mean, we can write and we have to join this also. And I said we can't put the double bond also. These are the things you have to remind. So 1 O is there and 1 H is there. If you put 1 OH bond somewhere here, and if you I'm just doing, okay, this is not correct, I'm just showing. If you write like this, how will you connect this both? So this is not correct, right? Erase. Yeah. Instead, what we will do, we will put the H here. Okay, 1 H I'm giving equally to both, and I'm sharing the O equally. Now it becomes equal, and we have joined the structure also. Simple terms only I'm giving. So okay, not so much of chemical terms. Okay, chemistry terms. Simply think. So here I'm giving common. Both HR I'm giving, and 1 O I'm adding in the common. So these both are joined also. Okay. So and now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of the phosphorus also got 5 around it. Are we clear? Now we will move on to the next structure. H4P2O6. Common structure. Let's write the common structure. You can also do with me. Now what we need to add? H2O2. To add H2 and O2. See, if we put, likewise if we put O here and H here, 1 O will be remaining. What we will do? So this structure is not possible here. Am I right? Because here 1 H, I mean 2 O and 2 H are there. So we can't write in that way. So here we can do the bonding likewise. Wait. O H, here also O H, and with this phosphorus bond will be formed. Okay. See, now also what is valency of your phosphorus? Only 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 came, right? Think of the possible ways. If I write like this, 1 O will be remaining. I can't write it anywhere else because phosphorus is already filled with 5. But if I write like this, I have completed both OH and OH, and the phosphorus bond is formed in between to complete the valency. Am I right? Just draw this structure from yourself also. Now let's do for the last one, that is H4P2O7. What is the common structure? Can you do for this alone? Because this is same. Likewise, you have to write both the sides and join. We have H2O3 here. Okay, then think. OH will be there and 1 O is there. So what we can do? It is somewhat similar to this. I have given the clue also. So try to do. Then we will move on to oxacids of sulfur. These tricks I will give you in the next video separately, and also the structure you can deal separately. Okay, so as of now we have completed the oxides of nitrogen and oxides of phosphorus. Okay, now I will complete the basicity also. Basicity means number of OH. I say, let's say for the first one, how many OH bond is there? H3PO2, one OH bond is there, so basicity is 1. Likewise, you can calculate and give me the answer. Okay, it is simple, so I don't want to waste your time. Same way, how many OH bond is there, you have to write the number. That's it. Okay, I have already given so many tricks for your biology also. If you want to know all this, please do see the videos in the description. If you want any of the videos, join the Telegram channel. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.